I have bought the cheapest Ford-Figo in South Africa and I'm about to rebuild it. Well, not a full rebuild, just a few things that I probably need to do. What's going on? Oh no. But this is a brand new battery. Like new tires, new suspension. For some odd reason, something is happening with the door and I'm not exactly sure, but we probably need a new handle and I think a locking mechanism. I noticed that we needed a new battery, so I went to Mohale Batteries and bought a battery. Coming through to buy a battery and then show you how good, like the type of service that these guys give, which is amazing, honestly. But then you'll see it. So I'm gonna buy a car battery for my Ford-Figo, and then I'm gonna also buy a motorcycle battery for my K7 750 as well.
Takes no volts.
Zero, no?
Yeah, so one of your plates inside has basically collapsed.
Inside the battery. So I need a new one. And then you guys give a bit of a discount when bringing it
with the old one. So the normal price with the including the old one on the Innertech, the better one, you're looking at 1.4.
Yeah.
2-year guarantee, and then Super Volt 1.3 2-year guarantee.
2-year guarantee.
The Innertech is just the strongest. Sure.
Is it? And then yeah, because I know this one I bought it from you guys the last time. And then I also need a so obviously the warranty is gone. Oh yeah, it's been some time actually. And then I also needed a battery for a Jigsaw 750 2007. So there we go. Alright, then oh that's the new. Alright, there we go. Yeah, we've got that stuff. So y'all see. So yeah, that's what's up. So I'll be back on the road. Now that we have the battery installed, we can start the car. Whoa! It started up sharp, but the idle on this thing is a bit rough. And what's going on? Oh no. But this is a brand new battery. I put in a brand new battery, but this... Let me put down the handle, oh no. Okay guys, let me know what's going on here. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know that much about rebuilding cars and fixing up cars, but we did just buy a brand new battery and that light shouldn't be on. That light shouldn't be there. I'm not the smartest person when it comes to cars, but I know that light's not supposed to be there because this is a brand new battery. Okay, so the only way that you can open the side door is from inside. You can't open it from outside, so you probably need to fix that as well. Oh yeah, and I'll probably have to fix the mats because as you can see, yeah, that has been chowed in completely. So let me know if you guys know anybody who's able to reupholster this and fix this up. As you guys heard, the motor sounds horrendous. Let's listen. Yo. All right, that's the brand new battery that we put in. This motor does need a very big wash, but as you can see, the motor's like moving around for some odd reason. I'm assuming that the engine mountings are gone, so probably need to check the mountings and probably need to change that as well. Yeah, can you see that? So if you guys know any good technicians that's able to work on engines, because I'm not the best at engines and opening up engines, if you guys know somebody who's really good at engines, let me know. Probably I'm going to need his assistance to fix this baby up. So in total we're going to need a whole set of tires, so 4 tires, bro. I also need to check if there's a spare wheel, which I don't think there is one actually. The first thing that we're going to do right now is check what's going on here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to Mohale Batteries, let them plug the car in, and maybe there's a fault code or something, or maybe the alternator's not charging the battery. So they'd be able to tell me. So let's go do that. Oh, hi, by the way. I mean, listen to this idle. And there's some clear smoke that's coming from there. So yeah, we probably need to fix all of that. Hey, Sugar, so I'm sure you're wondering, why is Big Daddy busy with cars? Listen. All I want to do is dominate the content game, number 1. Number 2, I want to get to a point where I'm able to buy, rebuild top and high-end cars, especially my dream car, which is, I actually don't have a dream car, but any nice looking car, bro. I'm not going to be specific, but that is my game. That's my end game. So I really appreciate you guys joining me on this journey by liking, sharing and commenting on this video and telling me what else I could do to this to this car to make it even nicer, so that when I sell it for a good profit and for a pretty penny. And don't worry, I'm not really scared about building up cars and fixing them up, because I used to work at a mechanic shop, so you know, like doing up cars is not so foreign to me as compared to doing bikes. Yeah, with bikes it's slightly harder, and you know what, you have to know exactly what you're doing, because with a car you have some tolerance. With a bike you actually don't have that much. Off to Mukhale batteries. For some odd reason, there's a knocking sound every time I turn left and turn right. So I think it might be a wheel bearing. So I need to check those two and probably replace them, because you can't fix wheel bearings, can you? I just got to the garage to pump up the tires, and then I noticed this. Battery light is off. No battery light. So what does this mean? Should I still go to Mukhale batteries or not? So this is what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna drive it for the day, feel it out, feel out what other issues come up, and then if that thing still comes up, I'm gonna go again to Mukhale batteries. But I'll probably have to go tomorrow and then see what's happening. So I'm gonna take it easy for today. Let's see what happens. Oh, hi, by the way. You guys are probably wondering, hey Sugar Lips, why are you doing this? The main reason why I'm doing this, guys, I need a van, but not any van. There's a specific van, aka Bucky, that I'm looking for, and that's called the Raptor. I need that Bucky in my life. But I can easily just go out and just sign papers and own one and just finance it. But I don't want to do it like that. I want to be able to build, to buy, build and rebuild. I want to be able to buy, rebuild and sell cars up until I get to a point where I can own one that is fully paid for and that is mine. You understand? Or even get to a point where I can swap so many cars to a point where I actually own one and it's mine 100% fully. So that's my journey. How fucking lekker. On my first drive out, now look at this. A freaking, was it a screw, if I can say that, right in the front tire. Just my luck, huh? Now I have to put in a plug there. But I'll plug it when I get home. I've got a plug-in kit at home, so I'll plug it when I get home. Let me know what you guys think I should do to this car to make it look cooler, you know what I'm saying? Because I am going to start doing car rebuilds and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what, let me rather start with this car, because this car has always been here. And I was like, let me do it up. And then after this, if everything goes well with this build and this rebuild and selling it, the next car I'm going to get is going to be even cooler.